In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog on Wix. We'll start right inside the Wix editor. On the left side of the screen, look for the plus icon labeled Add. Give that a click to open the Elements panel. This is your toolbox for everything you place on a page, and it's where the blog components live. In the Add panel, find and select Blog. You'll see Wix's built-in blogging elements appear, which makes it easy to drop a complete functional blog section onto your site without any code. From here, choose Post List in the sidebar. The post list is the main feed that displays your blog posts. It's perfect for your homepage, a dedicated blog page, or any section where you want your latest articles to show up automatically. Now pick the style you like and drag it onto your page. As you drop it in, use the guidelines to align it with your existing layout. You can resize it using the handles and place it exactly where it fits your design. If your site has a particular look, choose a layout, like a clean grid or a card style, that complements your theme. You can always fine-tune spacing, fonts, and colors later in the design settings. With the post list in place, click Manage Posts. This opens your blog manager where you'll see all your posts, including drafts and anything already published. It's your central hub for writing, organizing, and updating content. Hover over the post you want to work on and click Edit. That takes you into the post editor. Here, update the title so it's clear and engaging, add or change the cover image, and write or refine your content directly in the editor. Break up long sections with headings and short paragraphs, and insert images or dividers to improve readability. You can also adjust categories and tags to keep your blog organized and help visitors find related topics. If you have a summary or excerpt field, craft a short teaser that encourages clicks from the post list. Once you're happy with the content and formatting, click Publish. Publishing makes the post live on your site, and your post list will automatically update to include the new or edited article. If you don't want it live yet, keep it as a draft and return when you're ready. Your work will be saved. That's it. You opened the Elements panel, chose Blog, added a post list, managed your posts, edited your content, and published. Take a moment to double check spacing and alignment on the page, and you're ready to share your new blog with the world.